What's going on, traders? Welcome to the channel. I'm John. That's Groot. We trade options here. So today, picking up on some more trades that are coming out. Tesla is the subject today. I'm going to show you a chart. We're near a trendline support that I'm really happy with. And because of that, I want to set up and add to next month's set of trades for income. So let's dive in. Let's jump into it. Let's not waste any time. And I will show you and actually do this trade in real time. All right, so we are sitting in Thinkorswim currently, and to just show you, I'm on Tesla. TSLA is the chart, and we are on the daily chart. And as far as, let's see, as far as what you're seeing here, this trend line has been strong. I'll go to the weekly so you can just see kind of how it's been sitting. Very, very powerful trend line, all the way from basically about a year out. And it has held very strongly, and Tesla's been growing for a long time, over a year now. So that's really good to see kind of the power of a trend line like this. Now, what this means, it doesn't mean like, are we guaranteed to go higher or do anything like that? No, it just means I'm trying to stack probabilities in my favor, meaning we are now basically touching it. We've tested trend line. We also have a support level that is horizontal that we have tested and does seem to be at least providing some form of support. So I'm basically stacking probabilities of success in my favor. And because of that too, when I'm checking premiums on Tesla, I think I can set up a good quality trade there as well. So let's dive into my platform, which is going to be Tastyworks here. And this is just going to be kind of a set of trades that I already have. So right now you're just going to see Netflix and OCGN are 14 days to expiration. So that's kind of closing out for this month. I've already set up a couple trades for next month here with Peloton. They dropped, but I'm looking for mean reversion plays, and that looked great. And NVTA is also looking good too. So that's 42 days to expiration, as you'll see right here. And now let's set up Tesla. I'm looking out basically to next month, 42 days to expiration as well. So June 18 is the trade. I'm in TSLA is the ticker. And right now I'm looking at the option chain. You'll see here expiring 42 days from now. Puts are on the right, calls are on the left. So since I am bullish here, what I'm going to take on is a put credit spread. And I'm looking at my deltas. I want to be somewhere probably between the 25 to 30 mark. And so where we're at here, I'm probably looking between 610, 600 or so. And oh, that looks pretty good too. So 270. Oh man, I might take that trade. So at any rate, there's a few things I could look at. If I'm worried about the 600 level, thinking that we may go below it, then I'll set up my trade for the 600 and 590 puts there. But if I am less worried and I'm very bullish on Tesla, then I can take on the 610 to 600. There's more risk here, but I do get paid more for the risk. You'll see a credit of 270 or versus, let's see, 245. So it's like a 30 some odd $25 difference in trade. So that's not too bad actually. Realistically, let me see here. Okay, I'm just going to look at my risk reward. So 245, 755. Okay, so I'm looking at 0.32. That's not too bad. And my probability of profit is almost 70. I'm at 67%. And my max loss here is around 755 or so. So I think this is a trade worth taking on. I'm going to lock it in, and let's make that trade. 1 second while I dive out of here so you cannot see my account info. All right, boom. Boom, and let's take that trade. All right, great. And I'm actually going to lower it right now since it did not fill yet. I'm trying to be a little more aggressive with this fill. So I set us up at 243 and we are filled. So that's not too bad. So we are now filled. I'll show the position just so you can kind of see it. But I actually scheduled this for $243 in credit. Now, target here is I do want to see Tesla either sit where it's at or go higher. Based on the trend line, it does seem like it has the capabilities to move higher. Essentially, probability 70% chance of success here, and sometimes it doesn't work out, so keep that in mind. It doesn't always mean it's perfect, but what I plan on doing is looking at this to potentially close out in the next 1 to 2 weeks. But if it does not work out well, I've still got time. There's 42 days remaining on this contract. So if that is pretty helpful, I would love if you threw some likes down. But the next thing we're going to check out here is just my general strategy on Tesla, and Palantir is another bigger one for long-term growth. However, if you're more interested in put credit spreads and how to trade them, this video is going to kind of explain that for you there too. So that's going to be the next one you want to check out.